Hey everybody, welcome back to Joe's Classics. I've done 251 Fords, well 3 if you count mine. I've done a 48 Chevy, I've done a 54 Chevy, and now I've got a 49 Ford Shoebox. 2-door sedan. I believe it was a V8 car. I do have a title, I do have a VIN. I don't have an engine or transmission. But as you can probably see there, I got some more of those barnacles, as I call them, that I'm going to attempt to wash off today. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it, as I hope you enjoy all my videos. But anyway, stay tuned and have fun. I've got an idea. Why not be an idiot? And I'll show you what I'm working on. I mean, that's a smart thing to do, I guess. Obviously, it's a 1949, because I already said that. Ford Custom Deluxe or Custom. I'm not sure exactly what it is. It is a 49, and you can tell because it should have a F-O-R-D right there on the front of it. The 50 has a crest. Yeah, and the 51 has a crest also. A different crest. It doesn't matter. Anyway, I do have the grill sections for it. It's in my garage, the happy place to work. And of course, you see all the barnacles, algae, whatever you want to call it. Not Forrest Gump, algae. All the windows too are all nice and froggy. I ain't run over here. Of course, the 49 and 50 have the outside hinges on them. This is probably the baseline because there's no chrome. Well, not really to speak of, I guess. It's basically complete, minus the engine and transmission. Interior is complete and ugly and ratty. Steering wheel's all cracked and broken. Windows, once again, are all foggy and bubbly. It does have nice rust in the fender. Left and right. Left one's not as bad as the right one is. Rocker's got, of course, some rust in it. 50 has, or 49 has the pull handles. See, a little crusty. A lot crusty. It's all crusty. I've seen worse. Nope. Pretty much, this is the worst one I've ever seen, I guess. Trunkel area. Well, they do have a couple of seal panels. Those are Fisher body though. So inside the trunk, of course, is nice and crusty. Quarter panel for a 49 is not really too bad on this side anyway. Zoom out a little bit. Top of the roof. It's not holy, at least. It's not a Christian car. It's not holy. On the roof anyway. This door is not awful, but still awful. It's a single awful, not a double awful. And I've already done because I'm not very patient, so I did the fender already. It's a lot worse than the other side is. It's falling apart there. But I guess, I mean, patch panels is probably about the gist of it. Probably sand it down, make it a little bit more smoother. The other side has a window also. This is a little broken. But the driver's side has a window that rolls down, but it's down and it's all cracked up. And I can't get over that side. Got the old hide a key function. But anyway, that is it. I'm going to turn the compressor back on or the pressure washer back on again and start where I left off. I just can't believe how much that different that looks with all the green stuff on there, and then the green stuff was off of there. And look at all that behind there. You see it's 45-172, Arkansas plate, 1965, land of opportunity. Well, I got her all cleaned up, and let's go ahead and do a little walk around on it. I think you'd be impressed with it. It's kind of hard to tell when you see a before and after, I think. I maybe should have cut it off halfway through, but anyway, I think it looks pretty good. So you be the judge. Hang on. I mean, from it being green before, I say it's pretty good. Looks pretty dang good. The aluminum foil they call chrome is coming off pretty good, which it was already coming off anyway. But nothing else came off it when I was doing it, so that's a plus. I guess this might have been a higher trim. I just don't know about the extra chrome pieces they have on here. Sorry about that. Ice cream meal was coming and it was gonna ruin my video. So I'll tell you, this is obviously it's not a brand new car now, but it looks so much better with all the green junk all over it. And the car has a color again. It's actually brown. Anyway, here's the rest of it. I kind of like to have like a comparison of before and after, like stopping midway through, but what can you do? Like I said, the front fender is a lot worse than the other side. Well, I mean, I guess they're both pretty bad. It's not like one's worth $1,000 and one's worth $100. There's a little bit of a side-by-side comparison. Not really. Looks like a gasser from here. But it's quite the, I think, quite the difference between the green and the brown. I think my best one though was green then turned blue. 53 Chevy 110 or 150, 210 I mean, or 150. But I still think it's pretty stellar. I mean, I could sand it down, I guess, and put primer on it maybe. Sand it down and put some of that shine juice on it. I don't know. I'm not into all that extra work. I'm trying to sell the thing anyway. It's not like I'm gonna make it worth $20,000 if I put the shine juice on it. This quarter here is not too bad. I mean, it's better than the 51 quarter. Well, the better of the two. I'm not missing this part. I kind of wish I could do this patina on my car, but for everybody that doesn't know out there in YouTube land, if it's on the ground, it's rust. If it's on the car, it's patina. And doable. It could use some better washing on the hood, but it's a lot of arm in the air. It kind of gets tiresome after a while. Well, anyway, guys, that's the car. Hope you guys like the transformation of it. Of course, I kind of want to tell you guys a little bit of a heads up for you. You know how like on baseball, football, soccer, whenever they do something good and you throw the ball in the stands, you can't do it with a bowling ball. I found that out the hard way. But anyway, if you all don't mind, do me a favor. I'm sure I've got 361 subscribers. So if every person will tell a person about Joe's Classics, maybe it can double my subscription output. Anyway, if you don't mind, tell anybody you know about me, and tell them that I mumble a lot. I'm not good looking, but I got some cool stuff. But anyway, like and subscribe. Obviously, watch to the very end if you don't mind, which I probably should tell you to watch from the end in the beginning. That way you know in the beginning to watch to the end, so you can see me rambling on at the end. Anyway, y'all have a good night, and happy Joe's Classicsing. That's stupid.